Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CNAT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and it just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and no doubt about it, well above average volume on the day, and a nasty day, but now an interesting day thanks to the final portion of it. And again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because you can see during the final part of the day, price did start to show some upward signs of strength. Now, does that mean this thing is totally reversing around? I have no idea, but it's at least much better than what, the day was doing. I mean, essentially the entire day was just a slow bleed, and then the last hour and a half happened and it showed some signs of strength. Now, this very well could be a dead cat bounce where the price just continues in the downside, but overall, things are looking like some potential, and we'll see if the bulls can build upon this. If they are going to quote-unquote build upon this, where are some of these levels of resistance that the price will have to push through? First area to keep an eye on is nothing fancy or complicated other than that's just where the bounce stopped this afternoon, and that was right up there at 83 cents. So 83 initial area of resistance. If the price can push up through there, next key level after that up there at the 90-cent mark. And then also keep an eye on the purple line. I get it, that line's way up there, but that is the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So that line will move its way downwards as Tuesday and Wednesday play out and get more and more relevant. But keep an eye on that from an overall, just kind of resistance point of view. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy. The bleeding finally stopped today down at 73 cents, and that'll be the level that you want to watch going forward. So keep an eye on 73 as the week continues to play out. Obviously, if the price breaks down below 73, then this whole bleeding thing is not done. This was just simply a dead cat bounce. But as of right now, you got to give the bulls a little bit of the benefit of the doubt. So we'll see if they can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.